You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English, pronounced as plead guilty. By the way, if you want to learn more legal terms that are indeed confusing, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Plead guilty, or a guilty plead. English pronunciation, how to pronounce plead guilty. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.